Hi everyone, I'm Tami and I am here in Welaka, Florida. So today we're going to do a Margarita Shrimp Cocktail. Pound of shrimp already in the bowl, and since we're camping I've got everything cut up and on this plate. So right here we have a cup of cilantro, we have 3 avocados, we have a cup of onion, we have, I got sniffles, I'm sorry, we got 3 cloves of garlic already minced and chopped up, we have a cup of cucumber, we have 1 large jalapeno, and we are going to dump all of this into my bowl. Now we're going to add some tequila. So I have cenote tequila. I have the Blanco, and I have the Blanco instead of a Reposado or an Añejo because this particular tequila is really peppery, and I wanted a peppery tequila. So we're going to use a half a cup. Put that into. And cenote makes this nice orange, 100 proof citrus orange 100 proof agave liqueur that they have, and we're going to use 1/4 of a cup of this too, so like that as well. We're going to put that in there, and we're not sponsored by cenote, I just happen to like it. All right, we've got 2 limes that I squeezed, and I had to hand squeeze them. I just forgot to bring a actual squeezer. We're going to use a half a cup of tomato sauce. We're going to use a full cup of tomato juice. And we're going to do some hot sauce. You can do the Armadillo pepper hot sauce. We're going to do this to taste. If you don't know Jeff's channel, Armadillo Pepper Barbecue, go over there and give him some love. We're going to do this to taste. This is really spicy. This is the Carolina Reaper, so I'm not going to use a lot of this. It's super spicy. So we're going to do, okay, so 6, 7, maybe 8 drops of that. Not a lot. It's really hot. We're going to do some salt. Tasting. I'm not a big salt fan, so do this like however you like. But I'm going to use a lot more probably pepper than I would salt. So a little bit of salt. Himalayan pink salt. Ooh, we're getting a real good breeze. That feels really awesome. And then some pepper to taste. And that's a motorcycle. And then some pepper. I'm using ground pepper. I like pepper, so probably a little bit more than maybe other people would like. And then we're going to mix this up. We're going to put this in the refrigerator to chill together for an hour, and then we're going to take it out. We're going to garnish it, and then we're going to eat it. So it is time to get these guys in the glass and do the taste test. I'm so hungry. Okay, so we're going to take this tahini. We're going to put some on the plate. Sorry guys, we're using a paper plate because we are camping. I'm going to put it on here. We're going to take a lime wedge. And these aren't real glass because we're camping, so they are plastic. And we're going to put some lime around here. And hopefully this works out because I haven't tried this on this kind of pasta before, but we're going to hopefully have this work out well. Get the tahini on here. Voila, it works out great. All right, and then we're going to take this yummy, delicious Margarita Shrimp Cocktail, and we're going to get it in the glass. All right, I'm going to try not to mess up my rim too much here. I really like avocados. I'm really excited about this. I put a lot of avocado in this mix. I have to say I like avocado a lot more than Jeff does, but he's going to have to suffer through. I also put a lot of cilantro in this. And do the cilantro like as you like. I know some people are really big fans of cilantro, other people aren't. If you're not a big fan of cilantro, just don't use it. You can eliminate it. All right. I used the Carolina Reaper. This is going to be a lot spicier than that a lot of people are going to like. You don't want it so spicy, use a jalapeno based sauce. Use less of it or eliminate it altogether. It's totally up to you. All right. Okay. Now, I brought out a lot of stuff to garnish these with because I wasn't sure how I wanted to go. All right. I had like these little tiny oranges that I thought they would be nice. I brought out lime, of course. By the way, in case I didn't say this earlier, you need to be using raw shrimp. The lime juice and the tequila is going to cook the shrimp for you, so you don't want to use already cooked shrimp. I have extra shrimp. So we can always add a little shrimpy guy. All right. So we've got these. Let's leave it like that for now. And now Jeff and I are going to eat these. We're going to try these. And I have some chips. So I'm going to get these going. I'm going to bring Jeff over and we're going to try these up, okay? Jeff is here to eat.
I'm hungry.
We've been waiting all day for this. All right, are you ready?
I've been ready.
I know. Okay.
I had a cupcake all day.
All right, so we are at Renegades. I didn't tell you that earlier. And he's been ready to eat this all day. I've been lazy.
So I'm just going to like scoop it on the chip. Is that what you do?
Yeah, you can scoop it on the chip. Oh, I'm making a mess. Or you can, eat it with your plate, whatever.
Eat it with your plate?
Eat it with your spoon. I said plate because it fell on the plate.
All right, here we go.
It's really good.
You done good.
Mm-hmm. Did you want
really refreshing.
You want your orange?
No, I want to eat some more shrimp.
Squeeze the orange on.
Spice.
Oh yeah, pretty spicy because we used his armadillo pepper.
Get the onion, shrimp, and the avocado.
Yeah. This is super good. Can you taste the tequila or the orange in that?
I don't taste. Well, let me try again.
I don't taste it at all, even though I put half a cup of tequila and fourth cup of the.
I don't. I don't. And that's what you want, right? When you have your drink, you want to. That way you'll eat more.
I mean, it's there's a lot in there.
All right. You did good. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys try this. If you try it, let me know what you think about it. It's super delicious, and there's a lot of alcohol in this one, so let me know how you think. Let me know what you think about the video. Please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. Cheers.